What is energy?
I don't know.
Let's learn.
Energy is the ability to do work. When force is applied to an object and if the object moves in the direction of the force, then we say that work is done. There are different types of energy. Sound energy. Sound is produced when a force causes an object or substance to vibrate or move quickly. Television sets, radios, musical instruments, and loudspeakers are some examples of things that produce sound energy. Heat energy. Heat energy is also known as thermal energy. Burning fuels such as coal, LPG, and kerosene release heat energy. We use heat energy to keep ourselves warm and also to cook food. Light energy. Light helps us to see things around us. The sun, electric bulbs, and candle are some source of light energy. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion or position. It has two types: kinetic energy and potential energy. For example, a moving bicycle is the example of kinetic energy. Water stored in a dam is example of potential energy. Solar energy. We get solar energy from the sun. This energy is used to generate heat and electricity for our use. It is also a clean, non-polluting form of energy. Wind energy. Windmills or turbines convert the energy of moving wind into usable form and electricity. Wind energy is also a clean, non-polluting form of energy. Hydropower energy. It is the energy derived from fast running water or falling water. Flowing or falling water creates energy that can be captured and turned into electricity, called hydropower. Some forms of energy like solar, wind, and geothermal can be renewed over a period of time. They are called renewable energy sources. However, some energy forms cannot be renewed and can get exhausted over a period of time. These are called non-renewable energy sources like coal, petroleum, etc.